Good morning. Hey, we're getting ready to pour hormigón or concrete. Getting ready to put it on our floor here. So just want to let you know, look at it, get you some pictures. We got the plastic down that keeps the water from coming up. Okay, this is it. And over there our guys are getting ready. So just in about 30 minutes we're going to start. We'll have this floor poured today. Hey there, it's the end of the day. I'm here with Delmy. Delmy is our right-hand man, as you know. And he is finishing up on the trowel work. So this is the end of, ¿cuántas horas?
11 horas.
11 hours so far. A couple hours more to go. ¿Cuánta bolsa? 30?
30.
30 bags of concrete. Let me show you what it is. Okay. Quiero probar la máquina para ellos vean por lo menos lo que está haciendo. We'll show you what we're doing. So, this is it. Temprano aún. It's a little wet, so we'll turn it off. Oh, that's a little better over there. We'll power trowel it, and it'll be ready for you guys when you get here, okay? So, things are coming along. Blessings on you.